Welcome. If you're looking for a way to hide your activity status on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off your activity status with the latest Instagram update, so you can browse in peace without anyone knowing when you're online. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Instagram homepage, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a few icons. But what you're looking for is the More icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines or a small circle with 3 dots, depending on your update. Click on that. A new menu will pop up. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control all your account preferences. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on Message and Story Replies. This is where Instagram keeps all the options related to your messaging and how people interact with your stories. Inside this section, you'll see an option labeled Show Activity Status. Click on that to open the settings for your activity status. By default, the Show Activity Status toggle is turned on. This means your friends and followers can see when you're active or last seen on Instagram. To hide your activity, simply click the toggle to turn it off. Once it's disabled, no one will be able to see when you're online or your last active time. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your activity status on Instagram using your PC. Now you can browse, scroll, and message privately without worrying about who's keeping tabs on your activity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new privacy on Instagram.